Hello, hope you're well today. Recording a quick trade idea I'm looking at on DAX. So if you see this area at 330, we tapped this area multiple times and we also ended up making a new low below the previous low. We have a clean range till the Asia high. It's about 180 points. So we'll be looking to take it up till that area. So let's see how the market moves. This is the game plan to look for longs above 330. So DAX just printed a wick above this, as you can see. We traded higher above this. So now, if this candle closes, then we'll be looking to enter above this wick or whatever the high is. So currently this is the high, but if we get a high which is higher than this high, then I'll be looking to enter above that wick. So essentially, I'm waiting for the candle to close, and the moment the next candle opens, and if we start trading above the high of this current candle, that's when I'll be looking to enter. So let's see how the market moves. This is sort of the high. Stop would be about 40-50 points. It's going to be 50 points because if you see this current M15 candle, so the low of this candle is inside the PY. So I'll have to give a 50 point stop. So this current M5 has closed and the new M5 has opened up. I've got my buy stop at 345, so 0.6. So let's see how the market moves now. The moment the price starts trading above 345, that's when I'll be triggered into longs. Stop is at 295, so 50 point stop. We'll be looking to target around 100 points. So we are in longs now. Got filled at 346. Stop is at 296 and the take profit is at 447. Roughly 100 point stop. Let's see how the market moves. So DAX is trying to push higher after forming a bottom here. So let's see how the market moves. I'll be looking to go risk off at 365. So let's see. It's trying to move out of this range after forming this bottom here. So London has just opened and we are currently risk off. As you can see, the push was very quick. So you've got to be risk off when the market opens because the market is very volatile the moment it opens. So you've got to be very quick. Let's see how the market moves now. There's no risk on the table. So the market looks good for now. The only problem is the current M5 or the M15 wick, the current M5 or the M15 candle doesn't have a bottom wick. That's the only problem. So let's see how the market moves. Okay, we are getting a solid push now. Okay, trading at 414. Our stop is at the entry, so even if the market does come back, it's still fine because there's no risk on the table. We have about 30 more points to go. Trading at 418, 414, 410. If you see uh, this area at 400, so currently it's facing some rejection at this area, but let's see if the buyers step in and drive the price higher. Stop is still at the entry. 30 more points to go. So we move 73 points. Hmm. It's trying to move higher. So something that I would like to talk about, which is the unrealized P&L. So whenever the market is moving, so every single uptick or the downtick, so it either moves your P&L higher or lower, right? Let's say if you've bought at 347, currently the price is at 410, so you're at 60, 70 points in profit. Now, each uptick and the downtick is going to move the P&L. So you've got to be totally detached from the open profit or the loss because it's not yours until it's truly yours. So this is something you've got to keep in mind. A lot of people they become fearful when the market is pulling back a little bit. So this is something you've got to control and something you've got to accept because trading is hard because naturally we are not wired to uh, behave in the right way whenever we are in a trade or we are about to take a trade. So everything that we do as traders that's against our human instinct. So the only thing you can do is manage the trade well instead of getting attached to the open profit or the loss. You've got to be totally detached from it, right? You're not trading the P&L, you're trading the markets. And if you have a back tested system, that produces uh, the average, I mean, the system that produces good wins and uh, I mean, the size of wins should be higher than the size of the losses. That's the only way to sustain. So let's see. We are trading at 422. We were trading at 430. So we still have around roughly 25 more points to go. So I hope you are finding these videos useful. So these are like very raw videos. So whatever thoughts I get, I mean, those are the thoughts I'm speaking. So we broke above this sort of a minor area at 406. Tested it, as you can see, the bottom wick here. Okay, so we are very close to the take profit now. Let's see if we can trail the stop. If you have an area where we can trail the stop. 400. 400. Let's see. For now, I'll just keep it at the entry. So we are getting a good pop. As you can see, we are getting a good, we are very close to hitting the take profit. Okay, since we are very close to the take profit, I would like to close the position. I'm just waiting for this candle to close. Okay, so the TP has been hit. Good one. Okay, so the TP has been hit. I hope you like this video, and if you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I'll be more than happy to make more such videos. And yeah, this was sort of the trade. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot for watching.